Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I do have this brand stinking new Kia EV6. I'm going to do a PDI on this one, pre-delivery inspection. But before that, I'm going to show you guys where is the cabin filter location and how to replace it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the cabin filter. Obviously, oops, it's a brand stinking new, and yeah, that is the location. And this is a part number, I think. Here is the part number. Here is the interior look like. Pretty sweet car. This is the GT version, and let's see how much they're asking for this. Woo, $64,500 right there. Let's take a quick look here. Yep, there's like a little button right here and this guy. So when you, well, let's go closer. So when you press it around here, it will open it because of this guy right there pressing that. Pretty cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.